So it's pretty clear you want to buy it. But hold your horses for just a moment and let me show you all the pros and the cons of this product. So please take a moment, watch this short video that I've prepared for you. Thank you.
Breaking up with someone you love is painful. It's especially more painful for the person who was ditched. The longer the relationship was, the harder it is. Relationship breakups are deemed almost as painful as the death of a loved one. In some ways, it's probably similar. Millions of people wish they could get back the one who left them. If only they had another chance to fix things. If only they hadn't taken their partner for granted. If only, if only, if only. The biggest mistake most people make when they're dumped is they resort to overly dramatic measures to win back the one who left them. In most cases, their attempts only repel the ones they're struggling to win back. This is due to human nature. One needs to be calm and collected if they wish to win their ex back. There is strategy involved. And the biggest challenge is in reining your emotions so that you do not do things to worsen the situation. The crying, begging, repeated phone calls, threats of suicide, etc. will not help you. The right actions to get your ex back are counterintuitive, and most people just do not have a clue what to do. They need the X Factor Guide. This product is an online bestseller with thousands of copies sold, and is one of the leading reference guides when it comes to winning someone's love back. Written by Brad Browning, this guide will open your eyes. You will finally understand how people think and why ignoring the one who left you will be more effective at getting your ex back than chasing after them. As mentioned before, it goes against all reason, and that's exactly why it works. Let's weigh the pros and cons of this guide. Why you will love the X Factor Guide. The X Factor Guide is 220 pages long. It is comprehensive, detailed, and tells you exactly what you need to know to salvage your relationship. The language used is simple, concise, and easy to follow. Everything is planned out, and you are told what to do in a step-by-step manner. One mistake that many people make is that they try to rush things just so that they can find relief from their heartbreak. Trying to speed things up will not work, and you'll lose your ex forever. This is a mind game. By begging or pleading, you make your ex feel like they are better than you and you are just needy. They'll not come back, and some may even take a secret pleasure in your pain. All you need to do is follow the plan in the X Factor Guide, and your ex will be mildly perturbed at your lack of predictable response. They'll be curious and feel like maybe you're better off without them. Human nature will compel them to get in touch with you, and now you will be able to win them back. There are two versions of this guide. One is for men, and one is for women. This is not a blanket approach. Different genders require different approaches, and the X Factor Guide does an excellent job of targeting the specific genders. The product is backed by a 60-day money-back guarantee. This should remove any worry from your mind because this is a risk-free purchase. The official site has really good customer support, and most inquiries are answered within 24 hours. Brad Browning is a credible authority in this field, and it shows in his book. What you need to know about the X Factor Guide. The hard truth is that in some cases the emotional wound may be impossible to heal. If one partner was physically abusive or got sexually involved with a third party, the pain will leave lasting scars. In cases like these, even with the advice from the X Factor Guide, you may face a lot of resistance from your partner, and it will be very difficult to salvage the relationship. This product is only available online. There is no physical copy. Why you need to buy the X Factor Guide. If you're heartbroken and really want your ex back, this guide will truly help you. Sometimes the pain can seem unbearable, and you might do all the wrong things hoping to win your loved one back. You could be sabotaging your own chances. The X Factor Guide will guide you, and you'll be calm and collected in your approach. You will have a plan to follow, and this is of paramount importance. You can't trust your emotions to guide you. You must have a plan of action. You must follow the X Factor Guide's plan of action. Then, and only then, will your chances of winning your X-Back be favorable. It is possible if you know what to do. Get the guide and get your X-Back today.
Cool, right? Click the link in the description for my price discounted special.